Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for Pushing the Envelope. My name is Jessica Cabina, and I will be the moderator for today's course presented by GBRI in partnership with Morrison Hershfield. While we are waiting for everyone to join today's meeting, I'd like to introduce to you GBRI's new course series for 2014 titled The Future of Sustainable Architecture. As you know, sustainability and green building are not new concepts to mankind. From caves and tents to huts and igloos, humans have creatively used natural materials and adapted to their surroundings since their arrival on the planet. Over the years, as technology matured and grew more sophisticated, so did the ability to exploit it for the good of people. The structures that humans built became more technologically advanced and less reliant on natural elements of our world. With the advent of advanced heating and air conditioning systems in the 20th century, it became relatively easy to alter our internal environments rather than adapt to natural ones around us. Today, we're becoming increasingly aware that natural resources are limited, and we must live more sustainably to endure and thrive on this planet. GBRI's Future of Sustainable Architecture course series aims to reconnect today's generation with our ancestral roots. We hope to revive and implant the ideas we lost along the way while improving them in a more localized, sustainable, futuristic, and enduring manner. Today's course, titled Pushing the Envelope, will focus on how a building may have cutting-edge technologies to create energy, water, and material efficiency, but it has become more apparent that optimal results require a sustainable building envelope. Once viewed primarily as a barrier between the interior and exterior, the building envelope has assumed an integral role in building energy efficiency. The high-performance building envelope focuses on the integration and interaction of edifice materials with the exterior and interior environments. Similar to choosing interior materials for low VOCs, the exterior skin can positively affect interior comfort and air quality. This course discusses LEED v4's edition of the building envelope commissioning, including a history of standards, the benefits, hurdles, and considerations for project owners, architects, and contractors. Jamie McKay is a principal at Morrison Hershfield Limited in their Ottawa, Ontario, Canada office. He has worked across Canada and USA on LEED and green projects in the area of building science, specializing on high-performance building envelopes, green roofs, building durability, building envelope commissioning, and natural building materials. Jamie has acquired a wide range of knowledge in sustainable design and building science through his experience at Morrison Hershfield, US GBC, and Canada GBC lectures, university teaching, CA GBC review team, and material technical advisory group. Jamie is the CA GBC's credit champion for LEED Building Durability Credit. Our second instructor for today is Stephen Vinci. Stephen is the Sustainability Practice Lead for Morrison Hershfield's Pacific Northwest offices. He provides green building envelope and durability consulting on high-performance buildings and sustainability projects in the U.S., Canada, Europe, and China. He's the co-chair of Cascadia GBC's High Desert Branch Collaborative. He serves both as faculty and as lead reviewer for CAGBC and is also on the USGBC's Lead Stories from Practice review team. Most recently, he was a key contributor to the USGBC for Education component of the new online reference guide for LEED v4 for the building envelope commissioning requirements. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with Section 1.
Here slide are a collection of images from several LEED projects across the United States. In many ways, these facades define our buildings. It is the envelope that invites us in, often illustrates the sustainable features, and integrates with our existing communities. Nowadays, innovation and uniqueness in material choices appear to be the requirement for new buildings. The only real similarity from building to building is that we use glass for our windows. With the evolution of buildings and their materials, we need to heighten our focus on performance and durability. The evolution of buildings is constant. Although I intended this slide to discuss the changes of building design over time, we should also understand that the existing buildings change with each owner and the impact of the environment. As we saw in the previous slide, envelopes have become more dynamic and taken on new roles like power production or water and light harvesting and biodiversity. Although I haven't shown the image and the arrows transforming into these new dynamic buildings, the arrow could quickly reverse directions as we start to redesign our existing building stock to meet sustainable objectives.